The impact of AI accessibility in academic performance among second-year BS Infotech of LSPU San Pablo in their programming subject, a correlational study. My name is John Patrick Sorbito and group member Andre Formaleo, Leonard Marasigan, John Jenner Mendoza, Aguilus Emmanuel Peregrin, and the group leader Edmar A. Suwayan from BS Info 2C. Chapter 1 Introduction. Background of the study. The advent of technology has revolutionized education, enabling digital classrooms worldwide, anytime, anywhere. Students can access virtual classroom and access information through cell phones. Technology encourages problem solving, critical thinking, collaboration, and creativity, which is linked to improve academic performance. Students who use technology and access resources improve their academic performance, as the skills gained are paired with the open resource and information. Problem statement. This study investigates the impact of AI-powered tools on the academic performance of programming students, focusing on whether integration of AI technologies will be an advantage or disadvantage in their specialized subject areas.
1.3 Research Objectives to determine how programming students use AI for educational purposes, to assess how AI accuracy affects the reliability of the tools used by students, to evaluate the perception of programming students on using AI in school, to analyze the significant relationship between AI usage and academic performance in programming subjects, to explore the relationship between AI accuracy and academic performance, to investigate the relationship between student perception of AI and their academic performance in specialized subjects. 1.4 Hypothesis 1. There is no significant relationship between the accessibility of AI tools and the academic performance of students in their programming subject. 2. The use of AI tools does not affect the academic performance of students in their programming subject. 3. AI accessibility does not result in any significant difference in academic performance between students who use AI tools and those who do not. 1.5 Significance of the study. This study is significant and explores how AI accessibility influences the academic performance of second-year BS Information Technology students in their programming subjects. The findings can benefit students by identifying effective AI tools to enhance learning instructors by guiding them on integrating AI into teaching strategies, and future researchers by serving a foundation for further studies on AI education. Chapter 2 Literature Review. In this chapter, we review relevant literature to provide context and support for our study on the impact of AI accessibility on academic performance. We examine previous research on AI in education, its role in programming courses, and its influence on student learning outcomes. This review establishes a foundation for understanding the relationship between AI tools and academic success among IT students. 2.1 Overview of AI in Education. AI is revolutionizing education by enabling personalized learning experience, tailoring content to individual students' needs, and utilizing tools like intelligence tutoring systems and virtual learning environments.
2.2 Theoretical Framework. The study explores the technology acceptance model, which explains user acceptance of technology based on perceived usefulness and ease of use, which influence behavior, intentions, and actual system use. As we can see below, we can see the table or the process of the theoretical framework. We can see the external variables. we can see we have two kinds of external variables: perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use. First, the perceived usefulness is connected to behavioral intention to use. And then we can see the two kinds of external variables is attitude is going to attitude toward using, and then next to behavioral intention to use, and lastly the actual system use. 2.3 Previous research findings. Several studies have explored the impact of AI in education. For instance, Ward 1996 defined academic performances as how well a student achieves its educational objectives, highlighting the influence of AI on learning outcomes. Recent studies indicate that AI tools significantly reduce the time required to complete tasks and assist in involving complex problems, thereby enabling students to focus on more critical aspects of their learning. These findings underscore the potential of AI to enhance educational outcomes while also addressing challenges inherent to its adoption. Chapter 3 Methodology 3.1 Research Design. The study employs a correlational research design to investigate the relationship between AI accessibility and academic performance among second-year BS Information Technology students in their programming subjects.
We selected 50 students randomly from the second year BSIT population. This way, everyone has an equal chance of being chosen, which keeps things fair and avoids any bias. But we're not stopping there. We're also making sure the sample includes a good mix of students who use AI tools and those who don't. That balance is really important because it lets us see both sides of the picture and understand how these tools might be helping or not helping in their studies. For this study, we use surveys as the primary data collection method. A structured questionnaire was distributed to students to gather information about their demographics, their patterns of AI tool usage, and their perceptions of how AI tools contributed to their studies. The questions were designed to be simple and direct, ensuring we captured a wide range of perspectives from the participants. Here, we present the results of our survey. These findings summarize the key insights gathered from the students who participated. The data highlights their demographics, AI usage patterns, and their perceptions of AI tools in their studies. In Chapter 4, we will see the percentage of students who use AI tools compared to those who don't. This breakdown helps us understand the student population better and sets the stage for the deeper insights we'll explore in the next slides.
4.1 Descriptive Statistics Demographics. The sample consisted of 20% female and 80% male students, all of whom were second year programming students with an average age of 20 years. All participants reported being currently enrolled in programming subjects. So here are the performance matrix. The majority of students, approximately 70%, reported using AI tools to assist them in their programming subjects with an average agreement rating of 4.2 on a scale of 1 to 5. Students rated the clarity of explanations and solutions provided by AI tools with an average score of 4.0, indicating a general positive perception. On average, students agreed average score of 4.1 that AI helps save time when studying or working on programming tasks. The reliability and accuracy of AI tools for academic needs received a high average score of 4.3, suggesting confidence in these tools. 4.2 Inferential Statistics T-test result. A t-test was conducted to compare the perceived impact of AI tools on academic performance. The results indicated a significant difference in the perception of AI tools positively impacting grades, with students who frequently use AI tools reporting higher agreement. Average score is 4.5 compared to those who use them less frequently, with the average score of 3.2. 4.3 Findings. The analysis supports the hypothesis that the use of AI tools positively influences the academic performance of programming students. Students who regularly utilize AI tools report higher confidence in their programming skills and believe that these tools enhance their learning experience. However, there is also a concern regarding over-reliance on AI tools potentially hindering critical thinking abilities, as indicated by an average agreement score of 3.5 on this statement. Overall, the findings suggest that while AI tools are beneficial, a a balanced approach to their use is necessary to maintain critical thinking skills. Chapter 5 Discussion and Conclusion.
5.1 Interpretation of Results. The findings indicate a positive relationship between the use of AI tools and academic performance among programming students. Students who frequently utilize AI tools reported higher confidence in their programming skills and perceived these tools as beneficial to their learning experience. However, there is a concern regarding the potential over-reliance on AI, which may hinder critical thinking abilities. This suggests that while AI can enhance learning, it is essential to maintain a balance to foster critical thinking. 5.2 Implications for Practice. Educators and institutions should consider integrating AI tools into the curriculum while also emphasizing the importance of critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. Professional development for instructors on effectively incorporating AI in teaching could enhance student engagement and learning outcomes. Additionally, creating guidelines for students on the responsible use of AI tools may help mitigate the risk of over-reliance. 5.3 Limitations of the study. This study is limited by its focus on a single institution and the reliance on self-reported data, which may affect the reliability and generalizability of the findings. The sample size, while balanced, may not fully represent the broader population of programming students. 5.4 Future Research Directions. Future research should explore the long-term effects of AI tool usage on academic performance and critical thinking skills across various educational contexts. Additionally, qualitative studies could provide deeper insights into students' experiences and perceptions of AI in their learning processes, helping to inform best practices for AI integration in education.